In continuation of providing a thorough insight into how household items are made, today we shall be looking at balloons. Why balloons? Is there anything special about them? How are they made? Don't worry, I am here to enlighten you. The process of creating balloons is more intriguing than you might think. Welcome to a journey that will take us into the heart of this fascinating world. Balloons, in all their vibrant colors and shapes, have a way of brightening our lives. Whether they're bobbing above a birthday party, floating across the sky in a hot air balloon race, or even acting as vital tools in scientific research, their uses are as varied as the balloons themselves. You see, balloons are far more than mere decoration. They're employed in meteorology, aeronautics, medical treatment, and even architectural engineering. Yes, you heard it right. From the smallest party balloon to the largest weather balloon, each one has a story to tell, a purpose to serve. But how do they come into being? What's the secret behind their creation? Well, that's a story worth sticking around for. Stick around to find out how these versatile items come to life. Firstly, a dollop of liquid latex is needed to create a balloon. Let's delve into the intriguing journey of how this simple material transforms into a symbol of joy and celebration. Latex, the lifeblood of our balloon, starts its journey in a rubber tree plantation, usually nestled in lush, tropical parts of the globe. Picture vast expanses of these trees standing tall, their trunks etched with a network of shallow cuts. These incisions allow the milky latex to seep out, a process known as tapping. The latex then descends into small containers attached to the trees, ready to be collected. This raw latex, however, is far from being balloon ready. It's a bit like baking a cake. You can't just take flour straight from the field and make a Victoria sponge. The latex has to be treated first. To do this, the harvested latex is combined with water and a concoction of chemicals in a process known as compounding. This mixture is then heated, causing it to thicken and creating what we know as liquid latex. But our balloons aren't just any old shade of white, are they? No, they're a riot of colors, as varied as the occasions they grace. This is where dyeing comes in. The liquid latex is divided into batches and mixed with vibrant, non-toxic dyes. From ruby reds to ocean blues, sunshine yellows to deep purples, the latex takes on a spectrum of shades, ready to brighten up any event. Now, we have our liquid latex, no longer a simple sap, but a vibrant, malleable material, infused with the potential to bring a smile to anyone's face. It's been quite a journey, from the depths of a tropical forest to a factory floor, transforming from a milky sap into a colorful concoction. But it's not a balloon just yet. Oh no, it's only just begun its transformation. This latex concoction is now ready to take the shape of a balloon. The next step? Shaping and molding this latex into the balloons we know and love. But that's a tale for another scene. Now comes the exciting part, giving the balloon its iconic shape. Picture this. A vat filled to the brim with a vibrant liquid latex mixture. Now imagine a mold, crafted into the quintessential shape of a balloon. What happens next is magic, or rather a marvel of manufacturing. The mold, often made from aluminium or plastic, is carefully dipped into the latex mixture. It's a bit like dipping a biscuit into a cup of tea, but instead of a biscuit, it's a mold. And instead of tea, it's a vat of latex. A little whimsical, isn't it? As the mold submerges into the latex, something wondrous happens. The latex clings to the mold, wrapping around it like a second skin. The thickness of this latex skin is what determines the strength of the balloon. So the next time you're blowing up a balloon and it doesn't pop, you can thank the careful calibration of latex thickness for that. Once the mold is lifted from the vat, it carries with it a layer of latex, the embryonic stage of a balloon. But it's not quite ready to be inflated and launched into the sky just yet. The latex needs to dry, and this is achieved through a process called curing. Curing involves exposing the latex-covered mold to heat. This process not only dries the latex but also helps it maintain its shape and elasticity. It's a delicate dance of heat and timing, ensuring the latex is dried just right, without losing its stretchiness. After curing, the mold is cooled, allowing the latex to contract and ease off the mold. It's a bit like peeling off a sticker, revealing the final product underneath. And there you have it. The latex has transformed into a balloon ready to be filled with air or helium and bring joy to faces young and old. And voila, we have a balloon. But wait, there's one more step. Quality control is crucial in the balloon making industry. It's the stage where we ensure each balloon is up to par, ready to bring smiles and create memorable moments. The first step in quality control is the inflation test. Each balloon is inflated to its maximum size to check for any holes or weak spots. It's these tiny imperfections that could turn a celebration into a disappointment, and we can't have that. Once the balloons have passed the inflation test, they are deflated. It's fascinating, really, watching them go from large, vibrant spheres to small, flat pieces of latex. But don't worry, they're just as ready for the party as you are. The deflated balloons are then sorted by size, shape, and color, preparing them for their final destination, the packaging process. Carefully placed in packs, they're ready for their journey to stores and online retailers. Finally, these balloons are ready to bring joy to people around the world. So that's the journey of a balloon, from a rubber tree to your party. We've embarked on an enlightening adventure today, tracing the life of a balloon from its crude beginnings to the vibrant, air-filled joy it becomes. It all starts with the humble rubber tree, generously giving its latex, a key ingredient in the making of our beloved balloons. This latex is then transformed through a series of fascinating processes into sheets of rubber. Molds of various shapes and sizes are dipped into this rubber, giving birth to our balloons. But it doesn't end there. Each balloon undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure they are up to the mark. Only the best make it to the packaging stage, ready to be sent off to stores near you. Next time you see a balloon, remember the fascinating process it went through to get to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content like this. Also, invite your friends and family to subscribe to our channel as we continue to enlighten our viewers on how most household items are made.